Impurities in the air not only affect you but also your car. A clogged air filter prevents sufficient air supply to the combustion chamber. This affects the car's mileage and ultimately the engine. It's advisable to change your air filter timely. In fact, you can do it yourself. Step 1. Open the bonnet. Release the bonnet with the lever inside the car. Lift the bonnet and secure it with the prop rod. Step 2. Locate the air filter unit. Step 3. Remove the air filter cover. Take the screwdriver and remove the 4 screws sitting at the edges of the box. Step 4. Take out the air filter. Lift the cover and there you see the air filter. Step 5. Replace the air filter. It's time to replace your old air filter. As you can see, one should change them after 15,000 kilometers idly. Step 6. It's time to seal the cover. Put the cover back and secure it properly. Shut the bonnet. Air filter is replaced. Here is a quick recap. Order the best air filters now, only from shop.cardekho.com. And for everything else related to cars, visit CarDekho.com.